You searched how to buy shares of Charles River Laboratories International Inc. Charles River provides preclinical and clinical research services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CRL, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy CRL, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRL to find the listing. Make sure the search result matches Charles River Laboratories International Inc. before continuing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the interactive price chart. Confirm the company description and the CRL ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest, select the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft note: the example link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.